Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to put up an easy-up canopy, step by step. First, take your canopy frame out of its storage bag and position it where you want it. Next, have a friend or family member stand on the opposite side of the frame from you. Together, partially extend the legs, pulling the frame outward until it's about 2/3 open. This initial setup ensures a smooth and stable foundation for your canopy. Now, let's get the canopy top on. Carefully drape the fabric over the partially extended frame, making sure it's oriented correctly. Once it's in place, secure each of the 4 corners of the fabric to the corresponding corner posts of the frame. Take a moment to ensure the fabric is centered and evenly distributed, preventing any sagging or uneven tension. This step is crucial for a taut and professional look. With the top secured, it's time to fully extend the frame. Go to each corner and push up on the lower truss bars until you hear and feel the frame lock securely into its fully open position. Next, extend each leg one by one. Press the release button on each leg and pull it upwards to your desired height. Make sure all 4 legs are extended to the same level for stability and a level canopy. Finally, let's secure your canopy. For maximum stability, especially outdoors, use the provided stakes and ropes to anchor each leg firmly to the ground. Additionally, attach any remaining fabric fasteners, like Velcro straps, to the frame to keep the canopy top taut and prevent flapping. Always take these extra steps to secure your canopy. It's essential for safety and longevity, particularly when facing unexpected breezes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.